guys. So yeah guys, I just got to the gym and I'm trying to like stretch out. There's a lot of people here and I don't even think I'll be able to like do any workout than to just do my regular routine as a calisthenic, you know. If you look around now, there are a lot of people right there. So I'll be stretching myself with this band. I did not. I remember.
When you see me coming around, I got your number, baby. And I don't need to spend my cash. That's my
I'm walking you guys to the journey. First episode of my boxing training. Today, I don't actually like my trainer is not around yet, so I think I'll just be the only one. Yeah? What is up? Yeah, nah, yeah, exactly. You know that I'm just a beginner. I'm just starting my, boxing journey. So let me just walk you guys through what I'll be doing today. This thing can be fucking exhausting. Ooh, my weight is actually aching right now. This is actually crazy, and I don't even think I did this training up to like 20 minutes. If I should ask now, they're gonna say I know it's past 2 minutes. You know it's 2 minutes. Guy. Fuck. Man. I'm still imagining the things that you would have gone through for this thing. For this boxing, bro. It comes like first week when I first start my workout as normal bodybuilder. It did crazy go. Plus this one self still had pass out. Guy, I'm still trying to look at the two, which one is more fair. Guy, it's crazy, bro. I don't count the hours. I won't do chest today, normal. My work on chest today. But as people plenty, now you know make me come do am. Eh? Not yet. But once in a while, that guy go dey. You understand? Now you call me. And I know now. This kind of bad guy now. This in a pro boxer now, this guy. I stab you now. Let's go, guys. So I'm loading up, guys. This will be for today's workout. I don't want to miss consistency. It fucking matters a lot. Consistency, it matters a lot. And I've been seeing the outcome of consistency. You know, working out is not fucking easy, man. So let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm going. This is actually this is just 20 kg in total. So I'll be lifting this 12. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Seven, 8, 10. Don't give up. That's just number one motivation. Don't never give up. Don't quit. 11, 12. One more. Fuck. Nothing is easy in this life. Making money. Even this day itself, sleeping is not actually easy. To sleep now is not easy. Because thinking goes
Wait till they want this one. I will be this one.
Video. Yeah, no problem now. So guys, this is just the first set. I'm going 4 rep. I'll walk you guys through every journey of myself. I'll be posting this on YouTube, posting it on TikTok too, I guess. On IG, I'll just, it's a vlog, so I don't know if vlog will go on IG actually. But anything I'm doing right here, I'm going to be vlogging everything, every part of my fucking life. So I'm going another rep again, another set, I mean. Let's go, guys. We can do it. This is me versus me. No one is there to motivate me. I'll be the one to motivate myself. So let's go, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fuck. You see those of you that think in the gym or at the gym, they used to enjoy. It's all about fine girl or fine boy going there to, catch fish. Your head goes set. You're just going to pay and end up at the end of the day, you are going to waste your fucking money. That's just the thing.
No.
When you pay for gym, you have to know what you're doing. You have to be consistent. You have to be focused. That's just number one major thing. It won't be easy. It won't be fucking easy. I'm not going to lie. There'll be a part of, there'll be a time you feel like you want to quit. But fuck that, bro. Fuck that. That's not you. That's not you. You understand what I'm saying? You know where you are from. You know where you are coming. You know where you are going. You understand? It won't be fucking easy. That's just the thing. I've been coming to the gym, I think, for the past 7 months now. And I've never quit gym. There are days when I have off, you understand, but not as much as going offline. You understand what I'm trying to say? It's gonna be easy, fuck it. So guys, don't forget we are going 4 sets, and I'm actually going to be adding 5 kg more. That will be 10.5. I'm still going to be adding 12 kg as well. So let's go. Don't expect any day you are working out, don't expect feedback, don't expect a review of what you did that same day. It's not possible. You understand what I'm trying to say? Once you work out, just give it a week, have a rest day, and I promise you, you're actually going to see results. Let's go, guys. For people that knows me very well, this is not how I look before. My throwback is crazy. So let's go, guys. This will be tough. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to the gym is not fucking easy, man. You are going there to face yourself, face reality. It will get you out of the loop. That's just the thing. It won't be fucking easy, I told you guys. Let's go again, guys. Woo. Let's go. 4. So I just complete that set. Woo. Trust me, I'm going to get through it. Trust me, I'm going to get through it. Don't forget to rest. Whenever you're working out, give yourself, 10 seconds rest. Make sure you are giving yourself 10 seconds rest. it won't be easy, bro. If you don't give yourself rest, you won't be able to charge more, to carry the next weight. You understand what I'm trying to say? You won't be charged enough, to finish your workout. So you need to rest. If you like, take protein. If you like, take protein. No matter what you are taking, learn to rest. I almost died, bro. That shit is actually heavy. If you are not careful, bro, you are going to kill yourself. After you pay money, you are going to fucking kill yourself, guy. Now, this is another equipment for chest press. The first equipment we used was for the upper chest here. Now, this is actually a different equipment. I will be going this another 12 rep. You understand what I'm saying? Do this. This is me versus me. No one is here to motivate me. Everyone in this gym come here for a purpose, and this is my own purpose, guys. This is my purpose. You feel me? So let's go again, guys. It won't be easy, but we'll get through it. Let's go, guys. Make sure when you're doing this, you are chesting out. Yeah, let's go again, guys. This won't be easy. 1, 2, 3. I know you're actually going to feel like quitting, but don't quit. Never give up. As long as you are paying, make sure there is a purpose for coming to the gym, guys. Make sure there is always a purpose for coming to the gym. You don't just come to the gym to catch fish. You know what I mean by catching a fish. Don't just come to the gym, to look people. Everyone in this place has a purpose, and this is one of my purpose, guys. You out there, I know you can do it. You have been feeling, a lot of depression. You have been facing a lot, thinking here and there. Make sure whenever you are doing this, just go to the gym. Make sure you are getting your head straight. Make sure you are getting your head straight. Moreover, if you don't have enough funds, you can actually be in your house. You can work out in your house. You know what I'm saying? Work out in your own room. Sometimes I don't feel like going to the gym, and whenever I'm at home, I work out at home. I do my normal, regular, workout in my house. Let me bust your brain. Actually, I was feeling a little bit sick yesterday, and trust me, I told myself, this is not me. This sickness is not supposed to be in me. I'm better than this. You feel me? I'm at the gym now. I don't think I'm actually feeling any pain. I was sneezing before at home, but now I don't think I actually feel the same again. Which is I'm getting better. I'm getting fucking better day by day. And there's one other thing I want to there's one other thing I want to enlighten you, is that whenever you're going to the gym, don't expect feedback immediately. Don't expect, changes immediately. Going to the gym does not say immediately you work out, you should just, boom. No. Gradually, rep by rep, keep trying and have a rest day. Trust me, you are going to see changes. And make sure, you are eating. You are always feeding yourself. I know you are some of you actually eat, but multiply it times 2 of it. You feel me? Bro, like, what the fuck? Donut. Bring water, beg. What? Hey, bring am. This is actually removing smoke. Like, what the hell, bro? actually like crazy, guys. This is another like equipment for, I think this is actually working for upper chest as well. Upper chest. So we'll be going 4 sets, 12 reps as usual. That's what we're going to be doing now. Light space, baby. So let's go, follow me. One, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, this is another set, and we are going 12 reps as usual. 12 reps. I think after this we should just take, let's just use 20 kg or 22.5. Which one should we use after this? Well, I'll be going 20 kg. I don't want to go that 20, so that 22.5 looks like carrying a house. Like that's actually the day I carried 22.5, bro. I almost died, bro. I almost died, to be honest. So we'll be going again. Let's go, guys. Lightweight. This guy. Let's go. 2, 3, very clean. 4, 5, 6, 7. Fucking failure, guys. And it's normal to fail. It's normal to fail. It makes you prepare for the next. Feel me, guys? I need to like give myself 10 seconds rest. Feel me? Woo. They just made an announcement that the gym is closing in 10 minutes. So we need to round up what we are doing here, guys. I think someone is busy here. Let's just look for another equipment to work out with. Let's go, guys. Follow me. Follow me. I forgot the name of this equipment. Fuck. Let me see. This is they said this is seated arm clips chest. I think that's the name of the machine. Right.
Look at this dude.
Not machine. I mean equipment. Not machine. You guys don't let me. If TikTok post me, TikTok people, like I mean equipment, guys. Yeah? So count with me. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This should be here. Make sure you're chesting out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last one. Fuck. That's a failure. Whew. That's a failure.
Wait till they want this one. Who will be this one?
That's a failure, guys. That's just one failure and it's normal. I told you earlier that failing doesn't mean that's the end. You feel me? Failing is normal. That will actually like prepare you for the next workout. Feel me? So don't be scared to fail. Don't be scared to fail. You feel me? This will be my last workout for the day. And note, I'm just using this to like round up the whole when I say the whole workout that I've been doing since. This will be my last. I'm using this to round up everything. And note, hey, this man, you won't spoil my content. So guys, Yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. I had a little bit distraction. So like this would be like the end of my vlog. So let's go. As a beginner, I think I can only do few reps on this. I think just 8, but I'll try to do 10 to round up the whole thing. So,
Look at this dude.
I guess my hand is fucking
Wait till you
weak.
see the. No, 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 no.
So, 3, 4. I don't think I'll be going 10.
No, 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 no.
Fuck! Guys, man, fucking weak. Now that's what I'm saying about resting. You need to rest. So you'll be able to like continue with the other workout. So you won't be weak before you finish your workout. You understand what I'm trying to say? You need to fucking rest. Yes, thank you. Whew. Guys, I think I just injured though. I have this red dent on my finger here. That's a lot, guys. I need to rest. And this will be the end of my vlog. And I hope, you know, I have entertained you guys with a little bit of my content. If you like this, hit the follow button, subscribe to my channel, and share if you like this. Actually, make sure you comment on my video as well. Thank you. I'll be feeding you more of my content. You know, you guys are the one who is motivating me. If not, I won't be doing it. I love you guys.
I see an amazing place. Feels like a dream. A place of many wonders. And full of life. I open my eyes. Earth is our Pandora.